What's going on, guys? It's your boy Tony, Usos Auto Detailing, back again with another video. This video it's not just about auto detailing. It's all about hustling, trying to flip money, how to make money, all of that, So it's a little twist to this, but it's all about making money, So today it's a pretty day. I wish it was like that yesterday, because yesterday was super cold. The sun is out right now, so it's keeping us warm. But today I won't be doing no detailing because I got a truck waiting. They supposed to be bringing it to my house, and I'm only paying $200 for the truck. So we're gonna see what kind of profits we make with that truck. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna fix it or just sell it like that. But either way, there's money into that truck. It's ugly, it needs paint job, all of that, but I believe we can make some money. So the truck got dropped off yesterday. This is the truck right here, the Ford Ranger. Now I tried to crank it up yesterday, and I try to boost it off, and it turns over, but it doesn't want to crank up. Now I checked the antifreeze is good, the motor oil, the engine oil is good, so it might look like a healthy motor. I'll pop the hood on the next video. But if the motor doesn't look bad, doesn't look like it got oil leaks and all like that, just the exterior is what looks bad. But I'm see if I can make this truck look good so we can flip this truck.
$100,000? This piece of crap's not worth $100,000.
Oh my God. I can't believe we...
What I mean about flipping, man, I'm saying, like, make a profit out of this truck. 'Cause the only thing I'll be working on is taking out the stains. I probably won't have time to vacuum the truck today, because I also have, after I take care of the door panels and the dash, I still want to jump in on the bouncers. My bouncers are over there on that trailer, so a bouncer is gonna be rented out for Saturday. It's already scheduled for Saturday. That blue one is the smallest one that we have, so I have to get that one clean and ready, because tomorrow I have to go do detailing at the shop. So Friday's around the corner, and I don't want to do last minute things, so I want to make sure I take care of that today. But I'm just showing you around, guys. This is gonna be like the before video of what I'm gonna see if I can make this truck look good, presentable for the customer. When they come and look at it, they won't have too much thinking to do about it. So when they see something nice on the inside, they're gonna be like, well, yeah, it's nice, it has a little potential. Like I said, I won't be doing no vacuum. It has stains. I'll be taking care of that when I catch me another extra time. But today I have just a little time spare around, so I can mess with this truck. Let me show you the other side. I ain't worried about the outside. If I can get this truck running, then I will do a little can spray, maybe. But because all this rust right here, it looks bad, so I'm gonna see if I can make this truck presentable, as much presentable as possible, so that it can sell fast. But I don't want to spend too much money. We're gonna call this truck All Rusty. She got too much rust. It's gonna be her little nickname. She's trash everywhere, guys. That's how they brought it to me. Took the stereo out too. I'll be selling it with the stereo though, but not sure if I'm gonna leave the amp. I might just leave the amp right here. Not the amp, but the speaker. The amp's right here in the back, which I might just see if I can get it hooked up, so whoever buys, what I'm saying, they might have a little sound, so it'll feel more like a truck, something that they can enjoy and drive. Take out all that trash. I'm gonna take all that trash out. But this is a nice little project to start with. I just have a little spare time right now, so I'll be working on that right now. So we're gonna name her All Rusty.
Don't be scared to put a little elbow grease. You want to make sure that the vehicle is clean as possible, especially the inside. Believe it or not, it's what most people look at, the inside and the engine. You'll make a fast sale, guys. You don't want to go too crazy on the detail, guys. As long as you got it clean, nice, and presentable, that's all that matters. You want to make sure you just make a fast sale, presentable, because that's the main thing they're going to look at, the inside and the engine. Vacuum, just give it a nice little vacuum. You don't have to hire auto detailers to do this. You can do this at home. It's all about trying to save money, guys, and make some profit.
Alright guys, All Rusty. Alright, so she's dirty right here. So I gotta get her cleaned up. This is gonna be the before video. I already started, took some of the dirt off, dust off. So, but on the next video, I'll be doing the steaming. On this one, what I just wanted to do was basically I'm just doing some basic. As you can see, she is really dirty, but I want to make sure this is the most important part, because when the customer comes, they want to see how the motor look and everything. Now the truck don't crank up. It will. I mean, it'll turn over, but it doesn't crank. It doesn't start. So I'm gonna try to sell it like it is, as is, but I want to make sure this is presentable so I can get rid of it real fast, so we can make a fast sale. So let me show you the inside. Basically on the inside, all I did was a basic wipe down and a basic just a little cleanup, just vacuum. I still want to do a little steaming so I can take some of the stains off. Like right here, it got stains. It got little stains. See, I missed some little spots. Still got dirt right there. I did the door jambs, cleaned the door jambs, but I still missed some of the spots. So it do got stains, but it's more of a basic, just to make it look presentable. Yes, always gotta stay hydrated, guys.
Only thing it needed was gas, guys. Can you believe that? The truck only needed was gas. I paid $200 for it, guys. We sold it for $800. Now, at first he was trying to give me $500 because I told him it wasn't running. But after we got it running, I told him, look, I want $800, or I got other people that want the truck. So he didn't want to leave the truck. You know, he said I want it. So he ended up buying it for 800 bucks. We make $600 profit, guys. $600 profit, guys.
I don't know what the hell they done bad Zachary putting the clutch in it. A little bit. Yeah, let it ride. No, up a little, car. Yo. I ain't got to tell you, you know what. That's good.
That's my little Rusty. That's what I call her, all
yeah,
Rusty.
I know it. Well, we got that damn Dodge up on my trailer.
So that's how you flip a car, guys. Try to find you something cheap. Something cheap, about $200-300 bucks, or something that you know you can make a profit. It can be 500 bucks, but it just depends on the vehicle, guys. Do your research, compare all the cars first, and then before you even buy something. Alright guys, that's gonna wrap it up for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and as always guys, stay grinding, be safe. Before you even buy a vehicle, guys, like I said, do your research. If you don't know anything about a car, ask somebody in your family, they might know, or a friend or a mechanic, so they can give an advice, let you know, hey, that's a good car, the motor is good. You know, if you don't know anything about titles, make sure somebody that you take with knows about the title. You don't want to buy a car that has a bad title. I'll be throwing out a video on that too, so y'all stay tuned for the video of that. What to look for on a title, guys, before you even buy something that you can't sell no more. So yeah guys, y'all stay grinding, guys. And whoa, where you going? Where y'all going? Before you even leave, don't forget to like and subscribe, because I'll be throwing out more videos, guys. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Deuces.